Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into Sony's latest flagship, the Xperia 1V. This device has been making waves with its unique blend of features that cater not only to camera enthusiasts, but also to those looking for a versatile smartphone experience. Stick around as we unpack what makes this phone stand out in the crowded market of flagship Androids. Let's kick things off with the design and display. Sony has taken a step towards familiarity with the Xperia 1V, adopting a 6.5-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This move from their traditional 21:9 aspect ratio to a more standard 19.5:9 profile means a more comfortable handling experience without sacrificing the brightness and clarity they're known for. Despite the shift, the Xperia still retains its identity with a frosted glass back and robust Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Oh, and let's not forget the return of the headphone jack and micro SD card support, making it a practical choice for multimedia enthusiasts. Now, onto the cameras. Sony's Xperia series has always been a favorite among photography aficionados, and the Xperia 1V doesn't disappoint. It boasts a versatile camera setup with a 48 megapixels main shooter, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and the star of the show a 12 megapixels telephoto lens with adjustable zoom ranging from 3.5x to 7.1x. This feature alone sets it apart, offering creative flexibility that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether you're capturing detailed landscapes or experimenting with close-up shots, the Xperia's camera system holds its ground against the competition, delivering vibrant colors and impressive detail, especially in well-lit environments. Moving on to performance, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 12GB of RAM, the Xperia 1V handles everyday tasks and demanding apps with ease. While it may not top the charts in benchmark tests, it's more than capable for most users, even handling intensive gaming sessions smoothly thanks to its vapor chamber cooling system. Battery life is crucial, and with a 5000 mAh battery on board, the Xperia 1V offers solid endurance, lasting through hours of streaming and multitasking. When it comes to charging, it supports fast wired charging up to 30W and wireless charging up to 15W, ensuring you spend less time tethered to a charger. Sony's take on Android 14 is clean and intuitive, with minimal bloatware and a promise of 3 years of full updates. For creators and enthusiasts, the Xperia 1V offers tools like a unified camera app and manual control options that enhance the shooting experience without overwhelming users with unnecessary AI gimmicks. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia 1V stands out as a niche flagship that prioritizes camera capabilities and multimedia prowess. While it may not be widely available in all markets and comes at a premium price point, its unique features like the adjustable telephoto lens and robust build quality make it a compelling choice for those who value creativity and durability in their smartphones. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Sony Xperia 1V here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.